Which drawing tablet is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right one for your needs. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, UG M708. The UG M708 caught my attention with its solid 10 by 6 inch drawing area and a price tag of just $39.99. If you want an affordable way to dip your toes into digital art, this is worth a serious look. This tablet boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. That means every stroke feels responsive and natural, mimicking the realness of traditional drawing tools. Plus, those 8 hotkeys can be customized to your most used functions, making your workflow smoother. It's simple. More control equals better art. And with over 500 units sold recently, it seems like many artists are giving it a shot. Now, some users mention that the stylus could feel a bit awkward if you're used to heavier tools. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, this isn't a deal breaker. You'll get used to it, and once you do, you'll appreciate the savings. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an accessible entry point into digital art. Skip this one if you're a professional who needs higher-end features. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more versatility, the next option might interest you.
Product number 2, Hyon Inspiroi H640p. The Hyon Inspiroi H640p is another great contender with a compact 6x4 inch design and an enticing price point that many can appreciate. If you're after a lightweight tablet for sketching on the go, this is worth a serious look. With a battery-free stylus and 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, you'll have the freedom to express your creativity without interruption. The tablet also features 6 customizable hotkeys, which can speed up your workflow significantly. Users rave about its compatibility with both Macs and PCs, making it a versatile choice for all artists. It's no wonder over 1,000 units have been sold recently. However, some have noted that the pen can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, you might find that it doesn't hinder your creative flow at all. It's all about finding the right fit for your style. This is perfect for you if you're a student or hobbyist needing something portable for quick sketches. Skip this one if you're a professional artist needing a larger workspace. With its price and features, it's a solid investment for casual use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a screen integrated into their drawing experience.
Product number 3, Huion Canvas 13 Gen 3, which really stood out to me due to its 13.3-inch full laminated display and a price of $219. If you're looking for a bright, responsive screen for digital painting, this is worth a serious look. The anti-sparkle canvas glass reduces glare, meaning you can focus on your art without distractions. With 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, every stroke feels lifelike. The dual dial feature allows you to adjust brush sizes or zoom in and out effortlessly. This tablet has gained a reputation for being artist-friendly, which is evident from 300 plus sold in just the past month. Some users noted the weight makes it less portable than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your craft, the trade-off in weight can be worth it for the larger drawing area and screen quality. This is perfect for you if you're a digital artist who wants a screen tablet for detailed work. Skip this if you require a more compact option. With the features offered, it's a great value for serious artists. Now, if you want something that's completely standalone, the next product might just be your answer.
Product number 4, Rubens Tab T11 Pro. The Rubens Tab T11 Pro is a unique option that caught my eye, especially since it's a standalone drawing tablet priced at $199.95. If you want the freedom to create anywhere without being tethered to a computer, this is worth a serious look. This tablet features a 10.1-inch full HD display and runs on Android 12, meaning you can download apps directly. The built-in 5800 mAh battery gives you up to 5 hours of use, perfect for on-the-go creativity. Plus, it comes pre-installed with drawing apps that make it great for beginners and experienced users alike. With over 200 sold recently, it's gaining popularity quickly. However, some users reported that the screen could feel a bit small compared to larger tablets. Here's the thing though, if portability is your priority, this small size can be an advantage, making it easy to carry with you. This is perfect for you if you want a portable solution for drawing without needing a computer. Skip this if you prefer larger screens for detailed work. It offers great value for a standalone device. Finally, let's wrap up our list with an option that offers a balance between features and price.
Product number 5, Huion Canvas 13 Gen 3 variant. Another variant of the Huion Canvas 13 Gen 3, and it's essentially the same stellar tablet with similar features. If you're still on the fence about getting a drawing tablet with a display, this is worth a serious look. It shares the impressive 13.3-inch full laminated screen in 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, just like its counterpart. This means you can easily create stunning art with precision and clarity. The vibrant colors are perfect for those who focus on detail, and it has the same dual dials for added convenience. With this model also selling well, it's clear artists are enthusiastic about it. One point some users raised is that the display can reflect light, especially in bright settings. Here's the thing though, using it in a well-lit room can actually enhance visibility, so it might not be a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you're an artist who values screen quality and responsiveness. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Given its features, it's a worthy investment for serious artists. So to sum it up, whether you're looking for an affordable entry point with the UGE M708, a portable option like the Huion Inspiroy H640P, or a full display experience with the Huion Canvas models, there's a drawing tablet for every artist. Each one has its pros and cons, but finding the right fit can really enhance your creative journey. Choose wisely, and happy drawing!